Welcome to the update for HLS iPad. This year you'll be updating to the HLS version 2020 file. The 2019 file will no longer work. The first step you need to do is open up Safari, open up hls.iarss.org, and then click on Sign In to the system. I'm going to go ahead and do that here. Sign in. When you sign in now, you'll notice over on the right-hand side, the download this file, HLS Mobile 2020.fmp12. To download the file, you'll just tap that link, click on download. It takes just a moment, and then you're going to be able to use this file in FileMaker Go. The next step will be to sign out of HLS. You can close Safari, and then you'll open up FileMaker 18. So I've got there FileMaker Go 18. And if I log off, most of you will have FileMaker 2019 here. If you click log off and then go up to the little upper right next to where it says select, there's a little download button there. Click on that. You'll see that the 2020 file will be there. Tap on 2020, and now you'll have the latest version. I also suggest then clicking on update, which updates everything in the list, and you'll then notice it will then update facilities and inspectors to match what you have online.